Alright, now let me give you a quick overview of how I've structured this course so you know exactly where you can find what. In the next section, we'll be looking at the module system, which is one of the fundamental concepts in Node. You will learn how to create your own modules, as well as how to use the modules built into the core of Node, such as operating system, file system, HTTP, and so on. In the third section, we'll look at Node Package Manager, or NPM. Over the next two sections, you will learn how to build RESTful APIs using Express. But throughout these two sections, we'll be storing our data in a simple JavaScript array. Because before we look at storing data in MongoDB, you need to clearly understand asynchronous JavaScript. And that's the topic for the following section. In this section, you will understand how asynchronous code is different from synchronous code. We'll look at various patterns for working with asynchronous code, such as callbacks, promises, and async and await. Once you understand asynchronous code, then we'll look at storing data in MongoDB. So the next three sections are all about MongoDB and Mongoose, which is a library we use to store data in MongoDB. After that, we'll look at implementing authentication and authorization, including role management using JSON Web Tokens. Next, we'll look at handling and logging errors, which is a very important topic in building real-world applications. So up to this point, we have a RESTful service with authentication, authorization, error handling, and logging. So over the next two sections, we'll look at unit and integration testing. If you have never done unit testing before, don't worry. I'm going to take you from the ground up and teach you everything step by step. Next, we'll look at test-driven development, which is a way of building software by writing tests first. You will see how I will build a new feature using test-driven development, or TDD, step by step. Following that, we're ready for deployment. So you will learn how to deploy this application to Heroku.